What's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video on the Toyota Corolla. It's an '07 Toyota Corolla again. I haven't driven it in a while, but this time he has a baby seat on the back. Well, the base for it though. So as you guys know, we have a child now though. So this is the primary vehicle for the baby. My wife uses it a lot for that. So yeah, man. Everything else still good with the car. So no problems at all though. So just heading out to the storage right now though. Check on the Subaru. We've had some crazy cold temperatures lately, and they tend to increase actually though. So better go put some air on the tire on the Subaru, and then at the same time start the car a little bit, make sure that it still starts, and then head back home though. It's like it says it's 26 degrees, but it actually feels like 9 degrees with the wind chills. So that's how bad it is. But actually tomorrow morning it's gonna be 9 degrees. Now feels like it's actually gonna be 9 degrees tomorrow morning though. So yeah, man, can't wait for spring. Last year was pretty cold, and it seemed like this year has followed suit, been cold as well. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash the car though. I'm gonna see if the car wash is open. I like to wash it though. As you guys can see, the windshield is pretty bad though. My wife is gonna use this car tomorrow. We're taking a baby for her second month baby checkup. So actually 1 month, because she just reached 1 month yesterday. Yesterday was a 1 month birthday. We've been doing the 1 month thing too though. So yeah, just first time though, so we're kind of excited about it. So yeah, man, but that's how everything is, just snow and everything and cold. Oh man, there's a big lineup of cars trying to get a car wash. I'm not going there right now, so never mind. I'm gonna just try another car wash maybe, see what happens. This person about to back up. Hopefully they don't back up on me. Look at this guy, man. People just be hanging around, man, Yeah, but this snow was here 2 weeks ago. As you can see, it hasn't gone anywhere because temperatures have been so cold. Hasn't gotten a chance to melt at all. So yep, Corolla is good. It has 104,000 miles on it. Still going strong. Again, one of the most reliable vehicles you could ever ask for. So one thing I noticed though, most people are tinting their front windshield. I'm thinking to do that on the 4Runner though, but mine is because of work. When we take breaks, because I'm in the construction field now though. I don't do construction, but I do the inspection of installation of MEP, right? So most people, when they take their breaks, they're inside their vehicles and they have their windows tinted. So I might do that. We'll see. Got the storage. I just came and started the Subaru. I do it once a week. Then when Mary's still charging. See the difference between the tire dimensions. But anyways, yeah. For those guys that know me very well, they know that my love started with the 9th-gen Corolla, and I used to have a 2005 Toyota Corolla S and a 2005 Toyota Corolla XRS. So that's where my love came from. And I remember first time I saw a Subaru like this next to the Corolla, I fell in love with the Subaru. So yeah, but that's where my love started. So yeah, there you go, both cars together. Alright, just coming back from the storage. Started the Subaru. And now heading back home. Corolla is still good. Again, I don't know what else I can say about this car. It's just a great overall vehicle though. Love it so much. It's one of those cars you drive until you're tired of driving it. It's not a race car by any means, but it's a good solid vehicle for everyday commute and everything else. So yep, heading back home now. It's Sunday. Gotta do my timesheet for work. Tomorrow is Monday obviously, so gotta get my stuff ready. So anyways, heading back home. But sorry didn't have anything to put about this car. Other than that, it's just, there's nothing else I can do with it. Those that know that I've always wanted to do wheels on it, put the TC wheels on it, the Sound TC wheels, but my wife won't let me touch it though, so it's just gonna be the way it is.